Hi friends, I am Mathiazhagan, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we have a working for topic for software engineering, and it is the RAD model. So RAD model, today we have our topic. So RAD model, so Rapid Application Development Model, in short form termed as the RAD, followed a try before you buy methodology for software development. So it is the another popular model of a software development and has its the characteristics and the future. So according to these approaches, user can comes up with the better feedback when they can inspect it as the live systems. This chapter will discuss all the features and structure associated with the RAD model. So what is RAD model? RAD, which is the abbreviately as the Rapid Application Development Model. It is the RAD expansion of the Rapid Application Development. It's based on the concept of the both iterative and prototyping development model. This Rapid Application Development model is basically take prior attempts and assembling the customer design in the course of the workshop and development. And there is on the emphasis on the yearly testing of the system's prototype by the client or consumer using iterative methodology. Then if based on the feedback, we use the existing prototype and stay in constant assemblations as well as the model. So here in this model, the models in the basis as well as the various functions are developed in the parallel in the form of the mini project to save the development time. This model and the functions are packed together, so delivery and further assembly for the prototyping. So rapid application development model in the short form termed as the rabbit followed try before you buy. So methodology we have used in for development. So it is a popular model of the software development. So it is the very useful for the inspect of live systems, better feedback. So rabbit is the abbreviated the rabbit application development we have used. And here it is the model. So model is the basis of as well as the various functions we have used. And it's a series of development cycle are the carried output of the prototype 1, 2, and so as the lower level rejections and the further of the feedback as well as the we have used it. So which is the incorporation of the model. There was the significant advantage in the software development methodology we here used. So next one is the 5 stages of the rapid application development. So first one is the business model phases. The process the data follows the recognized from the variety of business perspective. Second one is the data model phases. So informations that is the taken from the business model is the implementation of the defining element, which are the required process. Second one is the process model phases. So data modeling achieved after the simulating details from business informations. So flow need to be the appropriately processed to come up with the prototype. Second is application generation phases. So various automation tools are employed for the converting process model to code, which is then the finally converted to an actual system. So testing and turnover phases. So all interfaces and models are we have used. So we have used for the SDLC RAD model, prototype 1, prototype 2, prototype 3, prototype 1 business model, data model, process model, and application generation and testing and turnover. Prototype 2 it is the business model, data model we have used. Prototype 3 as well as the delivery of the product. It's the same type of a model we have used. Benefits of the using a RAD model. So reusability for the component makes speed of the development and reduce the time that it's need for the developing a product. Next one is the model is the way to the crafting each functions within the system make the development task and easier. So next one is the large project can be done easily through the RAD model. So drawback of the using the RAD model, the proper time frame and should be have to the maintenance of the both and the customer as well as the developer for the completing the systems. So RAD model based the software development falls because of the lack of the commitment and the deduction. The slight complexity in the modularity in the RAD model can lead to the failure of the entire project. So found this page useful, share it, get the latest tutorial and updated we have a next time. Thank you.